Hello friends, in this video we discuss about the operation of double acting cylinder using two push button green valve, green switch and 5/2 double external pilot. These are the basic components required for doing the experiment. Now we connect all the pneumatics. First we connect the manifold junction to the push button and the input of the 5/2 valve. Then go to the double output of the 5/2 valve to the double acting cylinder and the output of the push button to pilot, and the process continue. When one switch process is forward and another for another switch, it is in reverse situation.